Hi all, welcome to Mom Tummy. Today I would show you simple popsicle recipes just made with simple pantry ingredients. Now let's get inside the recipe.
So first we'll start with strawberry yogurt pops. For this I'm just washing the strawberries with baking soda and some vinegar. Then I'm just blending the strawberries into a puree. Then in a bowl just take some yogurt and mix the strawberry puree along with this. Then you can add any nut butter whichever you like, followed by honey for sweetness. Then you can just pour them inside the popsicle molds. If you want, you can add some chopped nuts or any other topping which your kid likes. And just freeze them and then demold and see how your kid enjoys. Next, we would move on to the mango ice cream. For this, I have taken two ripe mangoes. I'm just cutting them and just changing them to a blender. Along with this, I'm just going to add some more nuts to make it more creamy. For this, I'm using cashews. Along with it, I'm adding some milk and honey for some extra sweetness. You can skip honey if your mango is way too ripe. Just blend them and just pour into the popsicle mold, and then you can freeze them and enjoy along with your kids. From my kitchen to your little ones.